Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech products. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with the iClever Bluetooth keyboard. Let's see if this compact yet feature-rich keyboard lives up to its promises. The iClever Bluetooth keyboard boasts a plethora of features designed to enhance your typing experience. Whether you're working on your MacBook, iPad, or even your smartphone. Let's delve into what sets this keyboard apart. First off, let's talk about versatility. This keyboard allows you to pair up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it a breeze to switch between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone with just the press of a button. Plus, its oxygen monosulfide adaptive technology automatically recognizes connected devices and maps keys accordingly, providing you with a familiar typing layout across different platforms. Despite its compact size, the iClever keyboard doesn't compromise on productivity. With a built-in numeric keypad and 12 multimedia keys, you can breeze through your work tasks efficiently. And thanks to its scissor key mechanism, typing feels stable and comfortable, whether you're crunching numbers or drafting emails. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. This keyboard features a USB-C rechargeable design, eliminating the need for extra batteries. Plus, with a 300 mAh lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 300 hours of usage on a single charge. And with universal compatibility across various devices and operating systems, including Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android, you can seamlessly integrate this keyboard into your workflow. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the iClever Bluetooth keyboard offers exceptional battery life, versatile connectivity options, and a compact yet productive design. However, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues and a lack of backlighting on the keys. In conclusion, the iClever Bluetooth keyboard delivers on its promise of versatility, productivity, and comfort. Whether you're a professional working on multiple devices or a student juggling assignments, this keyboard is sure to streamline your workflow. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy typing!